all over the globe. The energy used for air conditioning is increasing rapidly. In the US, almost all of our homes have AC, and consider that the AC use in the US generates 117 million tons of CO2 each year. It's a big problem, but energy problems are complex, hard to fix, and usually end up costing the consumer more. Well, Mistbox is a simple solution that helps you reduce the environmental impacts of cooling your home while saving you money in the process. Mistbox installs to your existing AC unit in just minutes, bringing the benefits of evaporative cooling, proven in industrial applications for decades, right to your home.
Our new design incorporates modular components, proprietary technology, and a smart learning algorithm that continually adapts to optimize savings. At the core of the control unit is a unique combination of sensors, allowing Mistbox to function completely free from wiring. A powerful logic board with integrated cellular connection provides Mistbox with a direct, secure, seamless communication channel. This marks a huge step forward for connected devices by eliminating the need for clumsy setup and unreliable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections. To ensure the water mist is safe for your air conditioner, we've developed a water treatment system with leading experts in the field. And to allow Mistbox to operate autonomously, we have created a wind turbine generator that charges Mistbox whenever your AC is running. By monitoring AC usage and the environment around your unit, Mistbox continuously optimizes its performance to maximize savings. And you can track all of this information right in our app.
Independent third-party studies have proven that Mistbox can save 20 to 38% of energy costs. We want Mistbox to be affordable for everyone, so we're offering Mistbox as a service for just $99 a year. Your subscription covers the hardware, cell service, replacement water treatment cartridges, and a lifetime warranty. With Mistbox, we're making it easier than ever to save money while making a positive impact on the environment. Help us make a meaningful difference by subscribing today.
Meet Vessi, the world's first fully waterproof knit shoes. On average, it rains over 150 days a year. This inspired us to create a shoe that adapts to your lifestyle without compromising functionality and style. Whether it's rain, snow, or mud, your socks will stay completely dry. Over the past 2 years, we've developed a waterproof material never before seen. Using our proprietary knit blend and the unique nanofiltering process, we created a membrane that keeps the water out but allows the moisture to escape.
That's amazing.
Do you feel anything?
Nothing.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Not wet, right?
Not wet.
Cool, awesome.
Very cool.
That's
Very
really
cool.
Vessi is naturally breathable, sweat-wicking, and provides incredible comfort. It gives you the adaptive support with its tight-knit 4-way stretch. Whether you're hiking in the summer, trekking in the winter, Vessi will be with you every step of the way.
That's amazing, guys. That will be perfect for London, honestly. That's very good.
Airborne Outfitters is a veteran-owned company dedicated to the outdoors. The Multifunctional Dry Bag, or MFDB, was born out of necessity. It will keep your gear dry, filter water, and inflate your air mattress. The MFDB is a patent-pending 18-liter bag that measures 12 by 21 inches. It's 100% American-made and utilizes a proprietary, BPA-free, National Sanitation Foundation-approved, water-potable material. The MFDB can inflate your air mattress more efficiently than your lungs. Using your breath creates 3 problems. First, it introduces moisture into your pad. Second, it will reduce the longevity of the insulation. And third, it will immediately reduce the R value, causing you to lose body heat through the mattress. The MFDB works with some of the top-selling air mattresses in the industry, and it's incredibly easy to use. One end has a quick disconnect that attaches to the bag. The other goes directly over the air pad's nozzle. Open the bag, trap air inside, and roll it down to decompress. Repeat as many times as necessary to inflate your mattress. Most dry bags are meant to keep water out. Ours does that and more. Due to the unique hydrophobic material, you can also use the bag to collect water. The MFDB can be used for almost any freshwater source. Simply hang the bag, connect the hose, attach your filter, and let gravity do the work. I'm an outdoorsman at heart and have spent the past 20 plus years in the military. I love all the outdoors. That's where I find my joy, and I want to make products for people who share that same passion.
For developers and hardware hackers to make this a reality. We got more things in the works, for example, voice control flight and flight routines right from your phone. But we need your support for the first production run. For a limited time, we're offering pre-orders of Rook for just $99, and this money will be used for production costs. After this time ends, Rook will sell for $200 in retail. Finally, share the campaign with your friends. If 5 of them pre-order, yours is free. We're extremely excited to bring this cool technology to people like you and me. Join us in the journey.
Introducing Alpha 2, the newest member of your family.
Okay, Joyce, let's move to the next pose.
Okay.
With 20 joints replicating human motion, he's as flexible as a yogi.
Good job, Joyce.
Alpha 2 is smarter than your smartphone.
Rise and shine.
And he makes a great tutor.
Alpha, what's the word for orange juice in Spanish?
Jugo de naranja.
Jugo de naranja.
Sí, muy bien.
You're cute.
No, you're cuter.
Alpha 2 is like an in-home nurse or a veterinarian.
Hey, boy.
Alan, Oliver is due for his flea medication.
Thanks, Alpha.
Alpha 2 is the perfect office assistant.
Voicemail 3.
Joyce, it's Cindy Patterson again. I just got a cake and it only has 5 tiers instead of 7.
Alpha, call All City Cakes and print out a copy of that contract.
Okay, Joyce. Printing.
He's a weatherman.
Bye, Alpha.
Goodbye, Kate. If you're going out, there's a 75% chance of rain.
Thanks, Alpha.
and a handyman.
All right, I got the flange off. What's next, Alpha?
Step 4. Use a small screwdriver to attach the adapter flange.
Thanks, Alpha.
Alpha, let's dance.
Okay.
Alpha 2 is the humanoid robot that makes a fun friend for the whole family.
Oh, hey.
Alpha, take a picture and post to Facebook.
And with an expandable platform, his skills keep growing.
Alpha, download the Storyteller app.
Downloading Storyteller app.
Alpha, what's a star?
A star is a sphere of plasma held together by its own gravity, appearing as a fixed luminous point in the sky. Would you like to hear a bedtime story?
Yeah.
Good night, room. Good night, stars. Good night to moms and dads. Good night, light. And good night, locks. Good night, David.
Alpha 2. Make him a member of your family today.
In a world filled with technology, we have all been looking for something more. The robots we have dreamed of since we were kids, the ones who could be our friends, members of our family. At UB Tech, it's our mission to make these dreams come true. We have a proven track record of bringing innovative technology to market, and Alpha 2 is our latest and best innovation. Please support us today and help make Alpha 2 a reality, because together we can dream of robots. Hello, Alpha.
Hello.